JC gang, it's your girl Niniee.c, back again with another video. As you can tell by the title, today we are learning how to make these pair of jeans. I was going to a soccer game and I was like, oh, let me make some jeans to go with this shirt, and so I thought I'd make a video about it. So yeah, we're gonna learn how to make these jeans together, so make sure you are watching. And if you are new, hello, welcome to the JC gang. Say welcome. Anyway, go ahead and subscribe, tell a friend about a friend, and yeah, let's just get straight to it. Alright, JC gang, we back at it again with another voiceover. So what you want to do on this part, you want to start off by getting your jeans, and then you lay it down with the front side facing down. So the back part, you're going to be drawing 2 inches from the side of the side seam that is on the side of your pants. As you can see, I'm marking 2 inches. Then you're going to lay your pants flat on nice and neat and straight so you can see the lines that you just drew. And once you do that, you're going to start cutting it. As you can see, I'm showing you, you do not cut through both sides. You cut through one side. You're cutting off the back part of your pants pretty much. As you can see, I'm doing right now. I'm cutting on the lines that I drew, cut all the way down. And then on the inside of the pants, the inseam of the pants, you just cut along that seam, leaving a 1/2 inch seam allowance. So you don't really need to measure that part. Just cut it all out. Once you got it cut out, you move the back part and you just put that to the side. Then you want to get your other pair of pants. So for this, you do need 2 pairs of pants, and I'm doing the same thing pretty much with this pair of pants. I'm actually just cutting the sides of the pants where the seam allowance, no, where the seam is. So I'm leaving a 1/2 inch seam allowance on each side. So I cut the sides first, and I cut the inside along the seam. It's pretty easy. Then you remove the bottom piece of the pants because you don't need that anymore. You're done with that for now. And then you want to take both the front pieces of both pants, lay them together, and you're going to sew the side seams together. As you can see, I'm doing right now. I'm sewing them together using my machine. I did sew them wrong sides facing together because I wanted the seam allowance to be on the outside of the pants. Now, what you see here is I'm removing the pocket off the back of the pants. Remember how we moved the back of the pants and we put it to the side? So now you're going to take it, you're going to remove the pockets from the back part of the pants. And once the pocket's off, you just put the pocket to the side. You don't need it anymore. Once you remove both pockets of the pants, you're going to take your pants and you're going to fold it in half. As you see right here, it is folded in half. Then you're going to fold it in half again, just like how I just did right now. Okay, fold it in half twice. Once you get it all folded in half, this is the part for your crotch area. When I was doing my pants, I did notice that I got a big old booty, and I had to add like a little piece of fabric in the middle of my crotch. This was like a on the spot type thing. I did not plan on doing this, but we did it because I needed to make them pants fit. So this is like the inside of the crotch. I measured from the back. I tried the pants on and I measured the space that I had in between my crotch from the back of the pants to the front. And it was about, I believe, 4 inches. So that is what I'm about to measure right now, as you can see. The fold is pretty much the middle of my crotch. So it's going to be even on the left side and the right side of my leg. That's why it's on a fold. I'm measuring out 4 inches. So I grab my ruler and then I take it to the edge, the fold edge, and I'm going to mark 4 inches on each side. It's taking forever to do it. What's taking me so long? Dang. Measure. Alright. Look. Boom, 4 inches. And then I make a little dot on the other side as well. 4 inches. Girl, if you don't make that mark, bruh. Y'all, so I had to cut the video because I was taking forever to make them marks. But anyway, once you make them marks, you want to find that midpoint in between the marks. Find the midpoint. And then from that midpoint, you are going to measure out how long you need that middle piece to be. So that middle piece, the opening went all the way down to my knee. So I had to make it 14 inches. Why am I talking like that? Inches long. 14 inches long. Once I make that mark, I'm going to use my ruler and I'm using a pencil to mark the guidelines as to where I want to cut that out. As you can see, I'm doing right now. I did one side, now I'm doing the other side. Once I'm finished with both sides, I'm grabbing my scissors and I'm cutting out the middle piece for the crotch area. So you just cut that all out. The guidelines I drew was very, very light. That is why you cannot see them. That's why they're called guidelines. But you cut it out. Once you get it all cut out, you're going to open it up. It should be two pieces. Now I got my yellow fabric that I wanted to show, the little peekaboo fabric, and I cut out the same exact piece. And then I lined them all up. There's 3 pieces at this point. 3 pieces. So you're going to sandwich the colored fabric, the yellow fabric, in between the jean fabric. Sandwich it. And then sew it all around the perimeter of this piece. Sew it all the way around. This is like a bad angle. You cannot see like me sewing, but you can see me sewing if you get what I mean. But I am sewing it all the way around. When you are done sewing it around, you're going to stitch lines like half an inch apart. I did not get that part because it was a bad angle once again. Stitch lines half an inch apart. Once you stitch the lines, you're going to cut the lines like in between the lines. You're going to cut it open as you can see me doing right now. I'm cutting them open. This is where the peekaboo part comes in. For you to see the yellow. And yeah, I'm grabbing my phone because I wanted to record for my Instagram. If you're not following my Instagram, go ahead and do that. Follow my Instagram. But this part took me the longest, I believe. You just keep cutting until you're done. Cut every single opening. It's going to be in between the stitches, not on the stitches, in between the stitches. And the stitches are going to be half an inch apart. Oh, and I forgot to mention you are only cutting through the first 2 layers of the fabric. Do not cut that last layer because you're going to have a hole in your pants. Cut the first 2 layers. And yeah. So when you're done cutting it all together, this is a bad angle once again. But you're going to get the middle part of that crotch piece and you're going to, align it with the middle crotch of your jeans and you're going to sew it all together. As you can see right here, kind of see it. I sewed the crotch to the jeans and then you're just going to place everything together at the end, connect everything and then sew it all up. I did not get that part. It should be easy though. You basically just connect the pieces and sew it. So this is how it looks. This is how it came out. That's the middle piece, the crotch that we were just working on. It looked wonderful. I love the outcome of it, and it's like front pants. The back is the front too, which I think is really, really cool. And yeah, comment down below which part is your favorite part. I think it's the crotch area for me. Alright, JC gang, so that is the end of the video. Tell me how you liked it, and like how it worked out for you. Let me know in the comments down below. Let me know which part was your favorite. Probably the ending. The ending is always my favorite because it's finished and it's done and it's over. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. Tell a fan about me. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget, my name is Niniee, and I'll have you fiending for more.